video we're going to use the PIC16F676 to read a button press and control an LED when the button is pressed. So this is our circuit diagram we're going to use. We're going to connect pin 2 to a switch to ground, and we're going to have an LED connected to pin 10 through a 330 ohm resistor to ground. So I've created a new project, and as before I've set the pragmas all up. They're all off except for the top one, which I have set to int RCIO. Obviously we've got our include xc.h, and in the main void I've set the Ansel tris A and port C settings as normal. Because I want to use pin 2 as an input, I now need to basically use this line of code, and this is set in port A bits dot RA5 equals 1, and that is setting that pin as an input. I now need to add 2 more lines of code, and this is the option register, and this one we're using option reg bits.NRAPU equals 0, and this sets all port A globally to allow weak pull-up resistors on those pins. We then have this line of code, which is WPUA bits.WPUA5 equals 1, and that means pin RA5 or pin 2 has its pull-up resistor enabled, holding the pin at 5 volts. So here in the data sheet for the PIC you can see table 2-2, where it states we have this option underscore register, and bit 7 is for the RAPU. And here on the data sheet at 2.22 you can see RAPU has 2 possible values of 1, which means the pull-up are disabled, or a 0, which means port A pull-ups are enabled. We then go into the while loop, and here we're going to set port C bit.RCO equals port A bit.RA5. Now what that means is port C bit RCO is our LED, and we're setting the value of that to the value of whatever is read on port A bit.RA5. So if the button is not pressed, that RA5 pin will be at 5 volts. If the button is pressed, the value of that pin will be at ground, so 0. So that will then make the LED go off. I have created a github page with all the codes so far for all the videos you've seen on the playlist up to now, and these will get added to as I produce new videos. The link will be in the description of all the videos. Hopefully this will help people to be able to copy and paste the codes into their IDE.